thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bosque County and central Texas, northwestern Hill County and central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Meridian, or 14 miles north of Clifton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Whitney State Park around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Whitney around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Aquila Lake around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hillsborough around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Imagine a doubleheader.
Now
Okay, never mind. Looks like we got another doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe southwestern Somerville County in north-central Texas, north-central Hamilton County in central Texas, southern Erath County in north-central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stephenville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for central and southern Erath County.
Oh no.
Hazard, baseball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts.
Gosh darn it.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Stephenville, Dublin, Hyco, Curves, Hardeman, Alexander, Clouet, Duffau, Bunyan, Johnsville, Sheldon, Chalk Mountain, Carlton, Ferry, Lingleville, and Olin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Am I still there?
Now.
Oh my lord! Not again! Triple header! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McLennan County and central Texas, southeastern Bosque County and central Texas, south central Hill County and central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Valley Mills, or 13 miles northwest of Waco, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Gentlemen.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Waco around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. West around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, but don't say that. Just say you. You're under a tree. Really?
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe